More news coming in. BJP MLA Yatnal slams Karnataka BJP chief, says BJP Padyatra at behest of DKS's orders. Yatnal says Vijayendra wants DKS to take over as the CM. BJP Padyatra is adjustment politics, a big claim that has been made by the MLA from the Bharatiya Janata Party, saying that this is all being orchestrated by the BJP itself.
ಈಗ ಮೂಡ ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ವಿಜಯೇಂದ್ರ ಮೂಡ ಹೋರಾಟ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನವರು ಇಳಿಸಿ ಡಿಕೆ ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಲಾಕತ್ತಾರ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬಹಿರಂಗಪಡಿಸಬೇಕು. ಡಿಕೆ ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಆದೇಶದಂತೆ ವಿಜಯೇಂದ್ರ ಪಾದಯಾತ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನ ಇಳಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಪಾದಯಾತ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಹೊಂದಾಣಿಕೆ ರಾಜಕಾರಣ ಇದೆ. ಡಿಕೆ ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರ ಉಪಕಾರ ತೀರಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇವತ್ತು ವಿಜಯೇಂದ್ರ ಪಾದಯಾತ್ರೆ.
Anaga is getting asked more details. Anaga, this is reflective obviously of the infighting within the BJP as well. But an interesting claim there being made that the chief of the Bharatiya Janata Party in the state, Vijayendra himself, wants this. He wants DKS to take over as the CM. What's brewing here?
Well, Sneha, that's the allegation that's levelled by Basanthoda Patil Yatnal. Things have always been very frictious between Yediyurappa's family and Yatnal. And now since there is a Padayatra happening, Yatnal says that it is at the behest of DK Shivakumar. The fact that, he alleges that DK Shivakumar and Vijayendra are hand in glove in this Padayatra to ensure that Siddaramaiah steps down from his position of CM to make way for DK Shivakumar, essentially implying that Vijayendra is doing this at the behest of DK Shivakumar. Both of them are jointly partnered in this Padayatra, is the allegation levelled by Yatnal. However, Sneha, this isn't the first time that Yatnal has made this sort of allegation. Even in the past, when it comes to Vijayendra or his father Yediyurappa's family, Yatnal has always taken the cudgels up against the family, making it, a narrative between BJP versus BJP. This is still an allegation, but we need to wait and watch how the BJP at this point is going to firefight this embarrassing claim that's made by Yatnal.
Anaga getting in those details as far as the infighting within the BJP is concerned. An important, interesting claim there being made by the BJP MLA Yatnal, who says that all of this is being orchestrated by the BJP itself, by the BJP state president itself. He wants to see DKS as the chief minister of Karnataka.